Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Wow, we're like already halfway through the month of July. Very hard to believe. And if you're a fan of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, then you probably already know that their new movie, Mutant Mayhem, debuts in theaters on August 2nd. In honor of that, I thought we'd draw at least one, maybe all, of the TMNTs, starting with Leonardo, or Leo as he's referred to in this new movie. Buckle up because this character and this pose may be a bit tricky for you. It was for me. The look of this new animated Turtles movie kind of has the same quirky, sketchy feel as the Miles Morales Spider-Man movies. It's very cool. And with that, the characters have been redesigned to focus on the fact that they are in fact teenagers. Anyways, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright? Then cowabunga. Let's draw from the new TMNT movie, Mutant Mayhem, the de facto leader, Leonardo. Wow, that was a mouthful. We're going to draw Leo step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Leonardo is 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 4 of those tall. Okay? So let's start with that roadmap for Leonardo from the new TMNT movie, Mutant Mayhem. So there's our roadmap for Leonardo. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put our hero's eyes, mask, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay? So let's rough out the features for Leonardo. Okay, so they're the roughed out features of Leonardo. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of our Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. As I often say, I want you to be present. And what I mean by that is you don't want to just mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. As you're drawing that final line, you want to still be thinking about how to improve it, staying vigilant until the very end. Okay, so let's draw the details for Leonardo. And that's how you do it. There you have it. One of the stars of the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie, Mutant Mayhem, Leonardo. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn Leonardo, or for that matter, any Mutant Ninja Turtle before, teenage or otherwise, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. And as I pointed out at the beginning, this pose and this character in general is a bit tricky. You notice I don't spend time coloring our hero during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Leonardo. And with that you can draw him again and again. And by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Leonardo. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, cowabunga, and keep drawing, my friends.